Hello, my name is Brandon Jones and I'm doing a screencast for my Cocos 2D project. Alright, to start it off, let's just run the game. This is my simple game, the simplest game ever made in Cocos 2D. I have a simple button called play. This is the main menu. I click play and it goes into the game. It's very engaging. We have a button over here that says win and a button over here that says lose. Click anywhere so the buttons work. This is the game scene. You click win and you win the game. And if you click retry, you go back to the main menu with the simple game title. Press play again and you have the two buttons again to either win or lose the game. You click lose and you lose ... Ultimate sadness. Okay, so that is the game. You go back to the menu. You can do this over and over again. Okay, so let's jump into the code. Alright, so in the main game file, the CPP, I just have it still as a hello world scene.cpp. We have the title of the game, which is just put here as a label, and it's set to 85% of the screen, so about here-ish, which is where you saw it. We have the button right here, which is calling the hello world play button callback function, which is right here, which gets the instance and pushes the game scene, or it calls game scenes create scene function, which pushes that on, so it changes the scene to the game scene. Alright, so we're going to set the position of that to about half of the screen, and so to the center. And then we create it and set its position and add it. So that's in the main menu, as we can see again right here, 85% of the screen, right in the center of the screen. So we click it and we go into the game scene right here. Once again, we have it put at 85% of the screen, and we create the label that says game scene. We're creating, this is the background sprite that's set to halfway of the screen, this background Cocos 2D picture. That's added to the scene. And then we go and we add a win button, which has the win button callback from the game scene scope, and as well as creating the lose button, which has the lose button callback. The win button callback removes all children from this and adds the new label for the you win, as well as the retry button. The retry button calls the retry button callback. The lose cut button callback is very similar, except it just has the you lose label instead of the you win label. So the retry button callback, all it does is it pushes the hello world scene back on, so the main menu scene. So that pushes the main menu scene back on, and then we have the simplest game ever. So this will play over and over again. So we have the main menu going, we have a win-lose condition, very simple, and then it goes back to the game main menu. Alright, and that is it for the screencast of my Cocos 2D project. Thank you very much.